Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom out on GTA 5 in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the game library, right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Store and also PlayStation Plus. And also right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to zoom out in your PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. So go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of these settings. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account, and so on. Go ahead and click on accessibility. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find display and sound, screen reader, controllers, closed caption, and here you're gonna find chat transcription. Go ahead and click on display and sound, and then right here you're gonna find zoom, invert colors, and all of these settings. Go ahead and click on zoom, and then once you do that, make sure you enable zoom, and then once you enable zoom, right here in the bottom you're gonna find all of the buttons that you can zoom on with. So for example, if you click on the PS button and square button, you're gonna start zoom adjustment. If you click on circle, you're gonna be able to reset zoom adjustment. With X, you can confirm the zoom adjustment. So right now we're gonna try it. So for example, if you click on the PS button and square at the same time, as you can see guys, you're gonna be able to zoom on your PlayStation 5. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.